We're going to kick off today by checking with designer Evelyn, and today she is touring a sunroom.
Today I'm going to inspire you all to get a sunroom. I'm in a beautiful one today by Four Seasons Sunrooms, here with Matt.
How you doing?
And you know what? I love this. This is such a unique way of adding a Four Seasons room to your home, right?
It is, isn't it? Totally different than the standard traditional
Absolutely.
type of edition. Yeah.
Why would someone want to do a sunroom edition as opposed to a traditional edition?
Very good question. Generally what we find our customers really like about something like this is that natural light that you're getting into your home.
Yes.
But it's kind of like a staycation if you think about it. A lot of people don't have cottages, they can't really travel that much, so why not stay at home and
That's a very good point. And that's exactly what I feel here. It's so much glass and so much light. Tell me about the temperature control. Are people concerned about how cold it could be?
Definitely. I mean, their traditional sunrooms are like their grandmother's sunrooms. They're really cold in the winter, really hot in the summer. These are a little bit different. This is like your sunroom on steroids, you can consider it. It's heated, it's cooled, it's energy efficient. It's truly used year round.
So Matt, what I love about this, you've incorporated a sitting area for eating as well as a family room.
Yeah, this is really like a multi-function use space. So it's not just your sunroom, it has some conventional elements to it as well. And we actually created this open concept, which you'll be able to see with some of the images, where we really just made this part of that whole kitchen living area.
Right.
One big open space.
Now, tell me, what about sizes of these rooms? Is there a general size, or is it just based on the house?
Really based on the house and the use of the space. There's no real standard sizing except for maybe window panes and...
Are you finding that more people are doing these sort of rooms?
We've never been busier.
Excellent. And I think in the market that we are now, certainly adding this room makes you feel like you're buying a vacation.
Pretty much, yeah. And with today's real estate market, I mean, investing in your home just makes sense.
Definitely. So, Marc and Mandy and everyone else, I hope I've inspired you to add a sunroom to your space. I'm going to seriously think about this one.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.